Good morning, everyone. It is lunchtime. So, I got two things we're going to try off of here today. First things first, I'm going to try Racetrac's chicken fingers. I'm going to take a piece out. Let you take a look at that. It looks very good. Now I'm going to try it. These legitimately taste like chicken nuggets from McDonald's. Now the next thing we're going to try is Racetrac's pizza. This is how it looks like. So here we go. That's very good. The chicken fingers, I would give that a 4 out of 5. And the pizza, I would give it a 5 out of 5. So that's the only difference with the chicken fingers versus the pizza from Racetrac. That will be it for today. Have a great day.